So now let's see how we can work around with smoked glass effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the smoked glass effect, you need to first go around onto the effects menu and then go around over here onto the creative section. So here you can see that smoked glass is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you get an effect as if you are actually seeing through a black glass. I can go ahead and choose, let's say, a different color as well, just like this, and you get that particular effect. You can go ahead and change around the tint, as you can see right here, to change around the opacity of the particular glass, and then change around the blurring level for the glass as well. So you can make it really clear, as you can see right here, or you can blur it out as well. So this is what you have. You can change around the tint right here and so forth, and then even use the color picker right here, let's say for example, to choose a particular color as well. So as with any other color picking option, you can see that you can go ahead and change around the RGB settings and then hue, saturation and brightness and so forth, as you can see right here. So this is how you can go ahead and utilize the smoked glass effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.